Welcome to Shipping Solutions Export Documentation and Compliance Software. This video explains how to generate reports from your Shipping Solutions software. To begin, click the Utilities tab and then Generate Reports. Start by entering a date range. All the reports are created based on the commercial invoice date range entered here. This top section has pre-made reports that summarize shipments in various ways, such as by country, products, or ultimate consignee. Let's take a look at the Shipments by Ultimate Consignee report. So I'll select it and click Preview. The report shows my shipments for today sorted by customer, and it also includes the total value of the shipments. The Shipments by Country report shows my shipments for today sorted by where they were shipped to, Australia, France, and Great Britain, and it also shows the total value of the shipments. To get a report showing line item details, you need to use the Export to Excel section. This report feature also uses the commercial invoice date range, but instead of a formatted report, it gives you an Excel spreadsheet. To create a report, click Manage Excel Reports. Click Add and give your report a name. Then choose the fields that you want included in your report. The header fields pertain to the entire shipment, such as exporter, ultimate consignee name, and commercial invoice date. You can click Select All Header to get all the header fields, or you can check the box for the fields you want. I'm going to choose shipment number, ultimate consignee name, invoice number, PO number, and total price. Scroll down the list to see the line item detail fields that are available. You can click Select All Detail, or you can click the box next to specific fields. I am going to choose Product ID, Product Description, Quantity, Unit Price, and Extended Price. I can change the field labels that appear on the report by clicking here and typing in the name that I want. I can also reorder the columns by dragging and dropping the field. So I'm going to take total price and move it right here underneath my customer name. Save and close this screen. Choose the report from the drop-down list. You can have as many reports as you like. Click Export to Excel. Decide where you want to save the report and give the report a name. The default is the name of the report along with the date range. Click Save. Now let's take a look at the report. The header fields are shown first, and then the line item details. So for shipment number 2740, there are two lines because there are two products in this shipment. The header information is the same for both line items. And then you can see the two different products that are in this shipment, including their quantity and price. You can now slice and dice the information however you'd like in Excel. This concludes the Generating Reports video. Thank you for watching.